there was a little boy who ran in front of the traffic. I explained to this young boy, I said, do you understand that I almost killed you with my car?
August 9th, 2025. Watch how this mother put her 8-year-old's life in. The reason left everyone stunned.
Where do you live?
Right there.
How old are you?
8.
8?
Mm-hmm.
What are you doing out here, 8 years old, by yourself? Where's your mom? She's there? Hello? Hello? Sheriff's Department? Where's your parent? Where is your parent?
You want to work?
What? Call them now.
I don't have a phone.
You don't have a phone?
I don't know how.
You don't have a phone programmed.
Do you know their phone number or something?
This kid's 8 years old. Home alone. Out running around in traffic.
Yeah, like a couple of
He went and got a drink at the store.
Come here.
We're here trying to help you.
Where are your parents?
So how long you been here by yourself? Huh? You got a brother? You live with your mom?
Why you ran away from us?
So he's gonna arrest me.
No, we're not. We're not gonna arrest you. Didn't your mom and dad tell you not to run away from the police? Just wait right here, alright?
Hello.
Alright, how you doing, man?
And
Alright.
how about happening?
Mom is not home. Do you have any information for her? Like a phone number or something?
Yeah, but she's usually here too.
He almost got hit by a car.
You got hit?
He almost got hit by a car. He
Where?
was found wandering out on jogging.
And you went?
Well, he's not supposed to be home alone like this.
No, you're not, because the uncle is there.
Who?
The uncle.
He's there?
The uncle not here?
You said his name's Dave, right?
Yeah, usually he come here when he's...
Nobody's there. We're knocking on the door, nobody's answering.
I got so busy, I have to do something. I have a baby and I have doing work at home.
I understand. Do you have phone numbers for
Yes,
his
let
mom?
me get it. Get my phone.
Okay.
Upstairs.
Thank you so much. Hello, hi, Miss Hunter.
This is her.
Hi, how you doing? This is Deputy Stewart, Palm Beach County Sheriff's Office. The reason why we're calling is because Haven, he was found wandering in traffic and almost got hit by a car. And then we ended up following him to here because he ran all the way back to his house.
So he eloped, because he elopes. He's supposed... Oh my God, this damn child.
He what?
He elopes.
What's eloped? I've never heard that term for a child.
Elope when like a child wanders.
Okay.
Yeah.
Well, I understand, but the thing is, who is supposed to be here watching him?
He's with Menende at 6. Because
No,
my
he's
uncle
not.
just left for work.
No, he's not. He's been in the house by himself.
Yeah, he's supposed to be in her care.
Yeah, but he never made it to her care. That's the problem.
So we're supposed to arrest her for child neglect and not you?
It's not a matter of child neglect.
It is a matter of child
some-
neglect.
Man.
There's somebody not watching this kid. There's nobody here parenting him. He
Yeah.
doesn't know how to call for help. He doesn't know anything.
And he doesn't have a phone or anything to call.
I don't know what's going on.
Man, I'm sorry, but you need to come home like right away. Cause we gotta get one statement from you.
I left around 6:30, and he's supposed to be next door, so I don't understand.
How is he supposed to be next door? Did you actually walk him next door? Or did you tell him to go next door?
Normally, if you tell him to go next door, he goes over there, and I saw him go over there.
He never made it
Like,
there.
we live in a safe neighborhood, so I never...
Yeah, it's safe, but he's not safe if he wandered all the way out to 10th and Jog and almost gets struck by a car. To the point where people had to call in. But you have to come home now, please. Thank you. Okay, Ms. Santamar. Tell me, why are we here? What happened today?
We are driving, or we're here today because I was driving, so I was heading south, and right before I came to and there was a little boy who ran in front of the traffic. I slammed on my brakes. My heart stopped, of course. I don't remember. I think I dropped my son off at Astro. I went back to the mobile to see, well, no, I did go in the gas station too. And I explained to this young boy, I said, do you understand that I almost killed you with my car? He didn't understand. He was looking at me. He was like, huh? I was like, where's your parents? I was thinking they were across the street, maybe. I mean, I was just keeping an eye on him. So I walked out of the Shell gas station. I dropped my son at Astro. And then I went to the Mobile gas station thinking he's either going to come across the street. Maybe he's here. Maybe I could tell his parents. Maybe something.
Yes.
So I see him then come out of the Shell gas station. And again, he ran into the street.
While cars were still
While
flowing.
cars were coming.
Okay.
I didn't pay too much attention, but I did follow him home. He almost got hit over here too because he crossed the street and a car had to swerve here.
Oh, going down 10th?
No, going right here in this neighborhood.
Oh, wow, okay.
Somebody was coming in the neighborhood because I followed him all the way home.
And somebody was...
I stayed on the phone with 911 and I kind of kept a distance from him.
Yes.
So as they were turning this bend right here, he crossed the street, didn't even look again, and almost got hit. That car had to swerve, whoever was coming out of this neighborhood. So then I pulled up next to him. I was like, do you need a ride home? Where's your parents?
Yes.
And he was not answering me. He kept fast walking, to get away from me. And then I saw him just come here, and then an officer pulled up next to me, and they said they got it, and I left.
So just for the record, I just want to make sure that at any time did you see any adult near him?
There was no adults.
Hello, are you the mother?
I am. Good night.
Hi, good night, how you doing? I'm Deputy
I'm
Stewart, the
good.
one you were talking to, and that's Deputy Brown.
Hi. How are you?
You want to talk to her here, or you want to talk to her by her house or something?
Like your house.
Oh, the other side.
Yeah.
This poor guy, he almost hit by a car. And we law enforcement waiting here for a parent. How long y'all been waiting for?
We've been here from right about 7 o'clock.
Yeah. So about 2 hours and 30 minutes. I gotta ask you a few questions. Where do you currently work?
I do multiple stuff. I have my own business. I was a home health aide, so it depends.
Do you have any other children?
No, just him.
Who all live in the home?
Me, him, and my uncle. My uncle is home.
He's home? Okay, because it was reported that he was at work.
Yeah, he's home.
Okay.
Since
But
when?
he got home.
Since when? Because we knocked on the door.
He passed you guys.
He passed us?
The guy in the black security suit.
We didn't see nobody in
We
black.
ain't seen nobody in no security suit.
Yeah, he was on the phone when he said, I thought I heard him say hi officer or something, or evening.
No.
No.
Yeah, he's inside.
So what is his name?
Dave.
Dave.
We've been sitting there the whole time. Ain't nobody walked past us.
You sure?
Yeah, you can check with him. He's
Oh.
upstairs.
Okay.
DAVE. So normally if my uncle is home, he'll stay with my uncle.
So when you left today, was your uncle home?
No, my uncle wasn't home today. He got home earlier than I did, but he normally stays with my neighbor or her daughter comes over.
So with the incident today, so you can't verify that he actually went over there because
He went this way, but to verify that he actually went in the house, I didn't see that part, but he always goes over there. I've never had any issues with him not going over Menendez to stay.
So if he normally goes over there and you leave him to go over there, how is it the whole house is open?
I locked up.
Sliding glass door is open.
Everything was
all the lights are on, just as you see the house is now. Is
No, I leave the lights on in my house, but
no, sliding glass door
sliding glass
open.
doors. This door is open. He
This
was able
door
to
is
go
open.
right in.
Everything is open. That's how we were able to knock.
yeah, so I don't know if he went back in, but when I was leaving, I closed up.
I'm just asking real quick
Yeah.
questions.
No, it's not you. My frustration is just
I speak with Dave.
Dave.
I
Yeah.
speak with Dave.
Yeah. Should I call him down?
Please.
I was
Probably gonna have to.
Yeah, you can call him now. Yes, sir? Yeah, you come down. So you come outside. We gotta speak to you.
What is it?
Someone outside has to speak to you.
I think a DCF.
Yeah, DCF has to talk to you.
It's the DCF.
Oh, this Did you go to work today?
Sure I did.
So when you go to work today, was Dave in here?
I went to work this morning, 15 minutes to 10. I left him. As a matter of fact, he didn't wake.
So when you left him, his mom was here, correct?
Both of them were here.
What time did you return home?
I leave work 8:35.
What time you got here tonight?
What time I get tonight?
Yeah, what time you reached?
I'm telling you when I leave work 8:35 p.m.
How far?
I have to take a Uber. I work at Wellington. So I reach here about 5 minutes to 9, somewhere nearby there. That's my regular time.
His mom was at work that night. Where will he be?
His mom is at work that night.
Yeah. Where will Haven be?
If I'm here, he'll be with me. If I'm here, he'll be here with me. If I don't go to work those times, he'll be here with me.
Okay. So I'm saying, so if both of you guys working like today, like tonight, where would
when you come home at 9, where would Haven be?
I don't know. I don't understand this shit.
When both of you guys gone to work at the same time, right? Where would Haven normally stay?
Well, Haven,
That don't generally happen regular.
Okay, but if it did happen, where would Haven be?
I think she left him by the neighbor around there.
Okay.
okay. Thank you. That's all.
All right. So you understand the whole circumstances of everything, how this all looks, right?
Basically, at this time.
You're under arrest for child neglect.
And as far as the child, would you like your neighbor to keep your child? I can feel the with her.
I think I need to call my mom because I don't know who's gonna.
Wrong way.
I see that.
Arresting motion.
All right.
Is that okay?
Yeah, that's fine.
All right. Right to the left. Left here.
Can we go this way?
Whatever.
I prefer this way.
Well, our car's right there.
Oh! Never mind. Wait, can you close it? Yeah. Only in Florida. I'm getting arrested. This is crazy.
I'm gonna roll down the window so you get some wind.
Oh my god.
Yeah. All right. You got brown bag or no?
Not like clear brown bags, but I got.
She was charged with child neglect.